In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access the archive in Monday.com and restore any items or groups you may have archived by mistake. If you've ever archived something and then couldn't figure out where it went, don't worry, it's easier to find than you think. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can quickly view archived items, archived groups, and even restore them back to your board. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Monday.com guides. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open Monday.com and go to the specific board where your items or groups were originally archived. This is important because archived content is stored within the board it came from, so if you're not seeing what you expect, double check that you're inside the correct board. Once you're inside the correct board, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a 3 dots menu, also known as the board menu. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This will open a drop-down menu with several board options and settings. Inside that menu, look for the option labeled Archive. Click on Archive. As soon as you do that, Monday.com will open the Archive section for that specific board. This is where all archived content related to that board is stored. In the Archive view, you'll be able to see archived items, archived groups, and other archived board content. Everything that has been removed from the active board view but not permanently deleted will appear here. This is very helpful because archiving in Monday.com does not mean deletion. It simply hides the content from your main workspace. Take a moment to browse through the archived list. You can scroll through to locate the specific item or group you're looking for. If you archived something recently, it will typically appear near the top. If it was archived a while ago, you may need to scroll a bit further to find it. Now, if you want to restore an item, the process is very simple. Hover your mouse over the archived item you want to bring back. When you hover over it, you'll see a Restore button appear. Click on Restore, and immediately that item will return to its original group on the board. It will reappear exactly where it was before being archived, making it easy to continue working without losing progress. If you're restoring a group instead of a single item, the process works in a very similar way. Simply locate the archived group in the Archive section and select the Restore option. The group will reappear in your board with all of its items intact. One important thing to remember is that archiving and deleting are 2 different actions in Monday.com. Archived items can always be accessed and restored using the steps I just showed you. However, if something has been permanently deleted, it won't appear in the Archive section. So whenever possible, it's safer to archive instead of delete if you think you might need the information later. And that's it. That's exactly how you access the archive in Monday.com, view archived items and groups, and restore them back to your board in just a few clicks. It's a simple feature, but it can save you a lot of stress if you ever think something has disappeared from your workspace. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com tips and step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.